Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we'll have a little survey with this video. I have the problem on my Asus TUF gaming laptop, which is an AMD machine. So the main screen is, of course, done with a AMD Radeon GPU. One of the things that's interesting is that this computer that I'm making the video on also is running with an AMD Radeon GPU, and it doesn't behave the same. So what's the problem? I saw somebody today talk about it, and I've seen people from time to time having that issue, is that you want to search for something, and when you search for whatever you're looking for, um, it all you get in the search is a blank page. You can't search for anything. If you search for an app, it doesn't work. My Asus gaming laptop has been having that issue for several months, but I've learned to go around it. It's the only AMD machine that I have that actually does it. Like you see here on this machine with an AMD GPU, it works fine. So it's kind of interesting to see that there are some people out there with that blank search. I was wondering, could it be a issue with the the driver or the type of AMD Radeon, the age of the GPU. All I know is that this PC is actually a PC that is only about a year and a half old compared to my gaming laptop that now probably approaches 4 to 5 years. But definitely there's something there. So if you have a AMD GPU that renders your screen, I would be curious, as a little survey here, when you click that search, how many of you have a blank search, and even if you type something, nothing happens and it doesn't find anything? I'd be curious to know how many are affected by this. Just say yes or no, but only if you have AMD. If you have an Intel GPU, or if you have a or any other GPU, it doesn't seem to be a problem. But whatever, even if you have an Intel, but you do have a blank search, that could be interesting to note. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.